Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, it's the YouTube babe right here, and in today's video we are going to be styling a bandana easily and quickly, so fast that you don't even notice that you are here, into a face mask, into an easy mask. That is a style whereby we're having so many people asking for. But anyways, I hope you watch the video to the very end so that you do not miss out on any particular tip. Also, in the meantime, just like the video, you can talk to me in the comment section, share us out there, tell someone about this channel, and make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not miss out on any updates. Yes, let's do this. So what you need is a bandana like this, a flat surface, which is not a must. You can always do it on air, like I am. Actually, this should be like a 1 second video. But anyways, yeah, so place, make sure that the inner side is facing towards the front, and then rotate your bandana like this to form something like a diamond. And then from this tip, just drop it. Let the tips meet. Yeah, let the two tips meet to form something like this. And then imagine it's just that easy. Depends, if you want it this big, you can let it be. If you want it to be like a little bit smaller, you can always fold it to have it into that size, okay? But it's not a must. Yeah, the next thing is just placing it onto your nose. Imagine if your hair, what is that? So if your hair is coming the way, you can first hold it at the back just a little bit, and then now place this bandana with that, like that. Place it onto your nose like this, just below your eyes, and then you make a knot below your hairs. I hope you can hear me. You make a knot below your hairs. Please like the video. And now afterwards, you just drop your hair like that. Imagine, it's that easy. So guys, like the video, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me, was it easy for you? How was the experience? Not like that. It's easy, just really easy. And remember, there's another way. You can always choose to like, how do people breathe in this? Anyways, you can choose to place it on top of your hair. Depends. Maybe even you do not have hair, you can just leave it. Maybe you do not have so much hair. So guys, remember to watch more of my videos. I'll be placing a link down below in the description, which can guide you to more tutorials, more amazing bandana tutorials, lifestyle, and all. Okay, so just click on it. You can talk to me via my socials. Yeah. In this case, I have placed the bandana just below the ears, on top of the ears. Depends how you feel comfortable. To watch more of my videos, just click right here. Let's meet here. See you here.